When it comes to navigation, navigation is all about knowing where you are now and where you want to be at some particular point in time, whether you're driving from here to home or whether you're going from looking from at your telescope at the ground to something in the sky. Today you do it with maps. Okay? And the best thing to have as a person who's starting out in astronomy, the best map to have is a planisphere. Okay? Now you're probably all aware of what a planisphere is. If you're not, it's simply, generally, a little bit of cardboard or plastic about this big with a rotating round dial in the middle of it with the stars printed on it. And it's got a graduated, the idea is, today is, what's today, the 3rd of February, 4th of February. You want to know which stars are in the sky tonight at 8 o'clock at night. You simply turn the circular wheel inside the planisphere to today's date, and it's designed so that it shows you the stars in the sky tonight. So all you do is hold this up and it will show you on the planisphere that there's a bright star called Sirius and a constellation called Orion over here. And what that planisphere is doing is saying, look to the south, sorry, to the north and to the west a little bit, look up and you'll see Sirius at 8 o'clock at night with the constellation of Orion. And what that map is doing is saying, these are how the stars are related at the moment in the sky to where you are on the Earth. So it's your guide, so that's what you need a planisphere. If you're not familiar with the star patterns, the best thing to do as a starting out in this is to get yourself a planisphere. You've got them over here, they're not expensive. And for the first 12 months or so, 2 years maybe, you'll need a planisphere to help you find your way around the sky. And the whole point of having a planisphere to find your way around the sky is so that you can recognise the major constellations. Okay? Now, some people are probably sitting here going, oh, that's old stuff, we don't need to do that anymore. Because these days, you can go and buy a go-to telescope from the shop over here, line it up, put the coordinates in for a galaxy called NGC 1309, and the telescope goes zop, zop, and then there's the galaxy. I don't need to know about the sky. The answer is yes, you can do that if you want. Okay? But if you were a chocoholic and you were offered a little licorice bullet every now and then and said, that's chocolate, and didn't know about the rest of the world and universe of chocolates, that would be pretty disappointing sort of existence on chocolate. Alright? So, call me old school, but if you can find your way around the sky without a go-to telescope, it's much more enjoyable.